Then your submit concurrent import could be in two ways. One will be when you have your submit journal import as manual, then you will need to do the submission manually, as the name said, or could be automatic, where will be not interference from the client, from the end user. Then in my case, I have them as manual. Then here you see that the status is pending after you do the upload. Then to submit the concurrent program, I will press the submit concurrent program. And then I will put the parameters there. When I press submit, the wizard will just submit the standard concurrent program. I will wait until that concurrent is finished. And when it's finished, I could even look at the lines, etc. Then here I will just go and press refresh. Will ask me if I want to have the current name. I will say yes. Will ask me if I want to upload the attachments. And in this case, I will say no, because I don't want to upload any attachment at this point. Then if you see at the end of the day, the wizard will also tell you when the journal entry is imported and will update the name of the import journal entry with the name that now is in Oracle for the batch and also for the journal name.